Have you ever seen someone so sure of their own victory, only to have it crumble in seconds? That's exactly what happened in this courtroom. HOA Karen strutted into the hearing like she owned the place. Arms crossed, lips curled in a smirk. She was certain the homeowner had no chance. She had filed a complaint saying the man's fence violated HOA rules, claiming she had undeniable proof. The judge called her forward. Karen, full of pride, slid a folder across the bench. Inside were glossy photos showing the fence leaning slightly onto HOA property lines. She smirked wider, whispering loud enough for everyone to hear. Case closed. The homeowner sat quietly, nervous but calm. His hands clutched his own folder, worn and creased from being opened too many times. He had been waiting weeks for this day. The judge studied Karen's evidence carefully. Nodding slowly, Karen leaned back in her chair, already rehearsing her victory speech. You could see it in her eyes. She thought the hammer was about to fall in her favor. Then the judge said, "Interesting. But let's turn to the next page." Karen's smirk faltered. She blinked in confusion. The clerk handed over the rest of the evidence. Documents that Karen hadn't expected to see. The next page revealed how the original property survey, decades old, sealed and notarized. And right behind it was an updated survey done just last month, showing the fence was perfectly within the homeowner's boundaries. The courtroom went silent. The homeowner raised his head, his voice steady but full of emotion. "Your Honor, my father built that fence with his own hands 30 years ago. The HOA has tried to erase that history, but the truth is in the records. The land is ours." The judge placed the two surveys side by side. One clear truth stared back at everyone. Karen's claim wasn't just weak. It was false. Karen's smirk was gone. Her face turned red as whispers spread through the courtroom. The judge looked straight at her. "Mrs. Karen, did you deliberately withhold these documents when filing your complaint?" Karen stuttered, searching for words. For the first time, her voice cracked. The woman who mocked, laughed, and sneered at neighbors had no defense now. The judge leaned back, his voice firm. "The court rules in favor of the homeowner. The evidence stands clear. This case is dismissed." The homeowner sighed, tears brimming in his eyes. He whispered a thank you, both to the judge. Justice had spoken. So the next time someone looks too confident, remember, truth has a way of showing up, sometimes on the very next page. If this story touched you,